So we have here a 2000 Jeep Cherokee. Look at this. I picked this up. I should probably pull it outside in order to make a video because it's fun. Oh, look at that. Things you do to set up shots. All right, this is dirty, but this is my 2000 Jeep Cherokee. Picked this up November last year and drove it a bit. We drove it a little while. So I bought it with 212,000 miles on it. It has a few more than that, not too much. I basically drove it during nice weather from November through now, it's July. Yeah, 215, and every single light is on the dash because that's how a Jeep works. If it doesn't have every light on, it doesn't work. You may notice this was one of the first mods done to it. It needed a headliner, so I put one in. Yeah, 215,000 miles. And the original factory motor is a Champion, but there you go. But it's basically time for an oil change. Well, that's how you change the oil in a Jeep Cherokee.
Just the entire motor at the same time.
I mean, the oil is changing.
That's exactly.
Alright, so I'm finished up with my oil change. It's taking a little bit, but you know what? I think I'm going to see if I can pull it out. That's how you change the oil in a Jeep.